Good morning, this is Narmada, Principal of Khairatabad Girls 1, Minority Residential Schools and Colleges. Here we have 5th class 2 SSC, and after completing their SSC, we have vocational courses. We offer two kinds of courses. One is MLT, Medical Lab Technician course, which everybody knows. And one more vocational course, which is nowadays we have very much boom on it, that is tourism and hospitality management. MLT, we have it's a single way where the children can go for medical lab technician only. But whereas T and HM, they can go into airlines as an air hostess or air ticketing, and they can go for big companies where they can work as a receptionist, and in education departments also in charges, receptionist and guider, and as well as they can go for as a hotel management side, tourism manager, hospitality management. In every hospitals nowadays we can see the hospitality managers where they work as an assistant for the doctors, like cardiology le lo, nahi to different categories we have in hospitals. They can work over there also. So many opportunities if they do T and HM. If they go for tourism, they can complete BSc tourism and higher studies. If they go for hospitality management, they can go for hospitality management. Whereas in MLT is also one of the best course, but this is also the good opportunity where our children can utilize and place. Will get easily placements. Now my children, nearly 14 students passed out, as this is the first year. They have completed their second year. Now they are working as one of the child. Her name is Shagufta. She is working as a web designer and as well as fashion designing. She is working on it. Now she has to complete her 3 months course, and then they have to she has to go for a job. Now she is earning the basic salary she is earning is 12,000 per month. And one more child, she is working as an air hostess. Her name is D. Monica from our college. She also completed her T and HM from here only. And one more, she is working as a receptionist and taking care of data entries and all in one of the company. For these, but now I have seen 3 placements from my.
Create a video of your talents and share it via WhatsApp on 9700491819. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.